Guys, for today's this video is we're gonna do is don't eat the poisonous candy. So, hello na bisa tayo. Sorry. First bag naman eh. Yung plala.
Magbuot man sila.
Hindi
Kaya sila magbuot.
So, we have a rule in this video. If ma-eat niya akong poisonous or ako ang maka-eat, kay maghatag og 5 question. So, kailangan ko na ito baguhin.
So,
Malaman.
let's start. So, you first.
Don't cheat.
Yeah.
Mana?
Me.
You're
Next is Mana.
So, let's start. So, mag-start na taray. So, Jack and Poy.
Jack and Poy. Jack and Poy. Jack.
Nga nung Jack and Poy. Bakit po si Sishu? So, me first. This one. Safe. Next. Actually, you're safe. Ano po ba? Safe. Kailangan mong pumili. Alam ko kung nasan sa iyo. Ikaw na dahil. Jack and Poy. Jack and Poy. Pumili ka na, please. Bawal mo i-eat yung sayo. Rule din yan. Poison. So, tapos na yung poisonous candy.
Ako talaga.
Talaga ba? Tagalog ay angay. So, surot. May surot yung siya. So, I have a question in hand. So,
Oh my
wait lang.
God.
So, start na the question. What is the full name of your crush?
J. Marty Salot.
It's a grade 7 crush.
Same grade 5.
Last birthday daw. So, taga-asa siya. Ay, putay, inakata eh. Sorry.
New Bohol.
Okay lang yan.
It's taga New Bohol siya, guys.
Diba, ikaapat na yan. So, last one. How much talaga? Talaga ba? How much do you love him?
It's a 50%.
Naka-OA. So, ay. That's, sabi na. Until you go. And that's all
about.
Doy, bawa na ito mo usap. And that's all for this day. Bye!